Another day, another journey with my travel buddies June and Sol Dayal. We're going to tour Hoover Dam, a National Historic Landmark. First quick stop is a scenic overlook as you approach Lake Mead and the Hoover Dam. The overlook provides a good review of more interesting things to see and experience if you're visiting Hoover Dam area. The contrast of the blue waters of Lake Mead against the starkness of the desert is quite stunning. Located on the Nevada-Arizona border, Hoover Dam has been rated as one of America's 7 modern civil engineering wonders. After the security check, second stop is the Okalagan-Tillman Memorial Bridge Plaza, which leads to a deck arch bridge built in front of the Hoover Dam, or 890 feet above the Colorado River. Construction of the bridge itself began in 2005. The bridge was completed in 2010, and the bypass route opened to vehicle traffic in October 2010. Hoover Dam is a concrete arc gravity dam in the Black Canyon of the Colorado River. The dam was constructed between 1931 and 1936. Its height is 726.4 feet and its length is 1,244 feet. This historic monument plaza was commissioned to celebrate the feat of engineering and to commemorate those who lost their lives during the dam's construction. The plaza's features are undergoing restoration. One of my favorite amazing facts is an interesting story of a dog who served as an official mascot during the construction. This high-scalar monument is dedicated to all of the men who labored to build the dam. Worth a visit is a cafe and gift shop. Another amazing fact is that in the dam, you cross the boundary of states of Nevada and Arizona. The boundary is marked by the clocks of each state. The dam supplies water to Nevada, Arizona, and California. The dam also generates hydroelectric power for public and private utilities in Nevada, Arizona, and California. It is a testament to human ingenuity and determination. Smile and wave!